And today's video is another unboxing video, and today is I'm very excited because finally it arrives. And this is one of my hubby's gift for my birthday and Valentine's gift. Please watch so you'll find out what it is. It's come from a FedEx box yet, and I'm gonna share with you what's inside. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh my goodness. The S21 Ultra 5G. Oh my goodness. Let's see what's inside. This is my ultimate dream phone. This is how it looks like in the inside. The protector and the camera. Oh my goodness, look at this. There's only two colors to choose from, the gray and the black, and I choose black because it's very elegant. Look at the camera. Oh my, it turns on. So very sensitive. I don't know what I did, but it turned on. It's not supposed to do this. We're just gonna turn it off. Oh my. Then let's see what's inside. Besides the phone, I don't know why it turns on, or maybe it's on before it came here. I don't know. It comes with a cord, a Type-C cord. Right there, it's a Type-C. But there's no edge to put on. The adapter, I don't know. I'm gonna see how it works. And then the quick reference guide. The terms and conditions. Samsung Care and important consumer safety information from Verizon. That's it. Just the charger and the headphones are separate. You buy it separate. They didn't include it. I get the 256 gig because they got 126, 256, and I'm supposed to get the 528, but they don't have it, so I choose the second bigger memory. They got one, I think 5 cameras. I'm just gonna read the specs on this. Oh my goodness, finally it's here. I've been waiting this for like 3 weeks. It just it just launched last January, if I'm mistaken. So I'm gonna read it to you, the specs. Oh wait. Where it is? Just Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G specs and features. The display is 6.8 dynamic AMOLED 2 times 1440 times 3200 pixels, and then the OS is Android. The processor is Exynos 2100 Snapdragon. Storage is 256 gig plus 16 gig. I think it's internal. I don't know. I'm just guessing. And then the camera, the first one is 108 megapixel plus 10 megapixel, and then 12 megapixel for the rear camera. The dual or the front is 40 megapixel with LED light. And then the battery, oh, it got a higher battery, 500 mAh. And what else? Oh, it got Bluetooth, of course. It's a 5G now, and you can use a 4G too. Oh, it comes with a wireless charging, wireless charger, but it's an extra accessory. But I prefer the plug-in wall because it says the battery stays longer. I mean the battery lifespan. Oh my goodness. And next is the accessories that we bought from Verizon. Oh, the price of this is I mean the 170 something gig is 1,000 excuse me, 1,199. And this one, since it's 256 gig, it's 1,349.99 or 1,379 something. Yep. This is the S21 Ultra 5G box, and now I'm gonna show it to you, the accessories that I bought for my phone. If you have an S21 Ultra 5G and you're interested in the accessories that I'm showing you, I will just put the descriptions and the prices down below. That's pretty much it, guys. So let's start. First is the Invisible Shield Glass Fusion Vision Guard Plus with D30 protection designed for Samsung by Zagg. It's 20% stronger, advanced impact and shatter protection with T30, which I don't know what that means. Contains antimicrobial treatment, protects your screen, protect your eyes from digital eye strain with enhanced blue light filter with eyes safe technology. And then scratch resistance and smudge resistance and easy application. Next is the Samsung Super Fast Wall Charger. Since this one is not included in the package, you need to buy it separately at $19.99. It says with 25 watt super fast power up, quickly charge your USB-C. And then this Tech 21 Evo Check non-slip case to protect your phone and camera. It has 12 feet impact protection, hygienic protection, and safeguard your camera. It's just simple, nothing fancy. I choose this phone case because of its use and purpose. That's all the accessories I bought for my S21 5G, and I will show you the other accessories for my hubby's phone. It's pretty much the same, just differs some part. Hubby wanted to upgrade to S21 plus 5G, so we bought the same screen protector, wall charger, and also the only different is the phone case. Cause for him, I chose the other Defender Pro series from Otter box, wrapped 4 times, tested to military standard, lasting antimicrobial case protection, made with more than 50 times recycled plastic. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please do share. Just leave some comments down below and leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And thank you. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.